Come test drive the 2013 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Come see the car for yourself.